Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel, English Easy Way. Today we are going to learn 100 action words, also called verbs. Action words tell us what we do every day, like run, jump, eat, play, and many more. Are you ready to move, learn, and have fun together? Let's begin.
Run. Run.
I am running.
Walk. Walk.
I am walking.
Sit. Sit.
I am sitting.
Stand. Stand.
I am standing.
Eat. Eat.
I am eating.
Drink. Drink.
I am drinking.
Sleep. Sleep.
I am sleeping.
Read. Read.
I am reading.
Write. Write.
I am reading.
Sing. Sing.
I am singing. Dance. Dance. I am dancing.
Clap. Clap.
I am clapping.
Laugh. Laugh.
I am laughing.
Cry. Cry.
I am crying.
Talk. Talk.
I am talking. Listen. Listen. I am listening.
Watch. Watch.
I am watching.
Play. Play.
I am playing. Work. Work. I am working. Open. Open. I am opening. Close. Close. I am closing.
Push. Push.
I am pooching.
Pull. Pull.
I am pulling. Throw. Throw. I am throwing.
Catch. Catch.
I am catching.
Kick. Kick.
I am kicking. Hit. Hit. I am hitting.
Cut. Cut.
I am cutting.
Cook. Cook.
I am cooking.
Bake. Bake.
I am baking.
Draw. Draw.
I am drawing.
Paint. Paint.
I am painting.
Swim. Swim.
I am swimming.
Fly. Fly.
I am flying.
Drive. Drive.
I am driving.
Ride. Ride.
I am riding.
Climb. Climb.
I am climbing.
Carry. Carry.
I am carrying. Lift. Lift. I am lifting.